Hello there! Ako po muli ang inyong Madam Chair at narito po tayong muli at magbabahagi tayo ng lugar dito sa Hong Kong. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Ang ibabahagi ko po ngayon sa inyo ay Hong Kong Zoological and Botanical Garden at yan po ay matatagpuan dito lang din sa Hong Kong Park. At kung kayo ay narito sa may bandang mid-level Robinson, mid-level number 1 Robinson, ay madali nyo pong puntahan ito. At ang unang-una nga natin, pag pumasok tayo ay itong someone is still feeding there or cleaning the things. So that's the lemur. And one in there on the top. That. The other lemur is hiding. Is a lot there in there. Oh, over there. Look. There, the two. Yes, that one. That's the other one, the lemur. So let's go to the other. Giving food there. Look, she's very kind. Wow. He's feeding her. There. Oh, that's cute. Oh, she's very cute. Awesome. Ground on the top. Children's playground. You can sit down here also because they have a benches there to take a rest or just reminiscing or thinking, clear your mind. That. And we're going to the birds, so that's the going down. So it's a lot of bench that you can sit on, so why not? It's very nice. It's the parrot. That. Hello, good morning. There, the two there. Good morning. There are three. Yes, and the other one there, we go there later. Good morning, what are you doing? See, they're happy. They just finished eating, so we go in the other side. Over there. Oh, that's guys. There, the big one over there is hiding on the trees. They have food. Oh, that's one eating. Look, they are eating. See that? Nice. Oh, see. Is the white one. I saw you. There's the fruits. There, you see that? All is white. There. Look at their house. So that's, oh, this one, the big one, is eating. Look. Oh, the other one is, you see that? He's just relaxing. Oh, that's so pretty. They are eating apple and orange juice. It's all the birds. So the name of the bird is that one. Look on the other side. It's on the look at that. There. Is it nice? A big one. Do you hear the sound? That is the bird singing. That's the small bird flying around. See, they have all that water. You see that bird there? The white one. Oh, there. Is it a lot? They're just finished eating, that's why they are all there. Oh, there. We go to that one. These all the birds. And the big one is here. I saw it. Where are you? Oh, hello. How are you? Say hi to my vlog. Where's your friend? Is hiding over there? Oh, see you around. Hello. Are you hungry? He's eating there. He's on the top. He's over there, the white one. See? Is it nice? There is the parrot. There. We have a... Where are you? Oh, they are hiding. Yeah, look at that. They eating the repolyo. Is it nice? It's a lot. It look like a drawing, is it? But this is real. It's a flamingo. It's orange flamingo. I think Madam Gemma S like it because she love yellow. Very nice. Look, they are eating. Mm. Oh, look at the bird there. That one. See? Is it kangaroo? A lot of pumpkin. There, the kangaroo. It's lying down. You see the white one? It's the kangaroo. They have a lot of pumpkin there. Where are they? Inside the house. Oh no. There the Hi. How are you? Oh, you're so cute.
The color of this bird is so amazing. It's so bright orange and you're gonna love looking at.
Link po kayo dun sa mga ibon. Yan, dito, sa part na ito. Kung saan makikita natin yung big fountain. Yan. Lalakarin lang po natin to. Mababasa naman natin ang mga arrow. Mayroong for children playground, refreshment cubes, kung pwede tayong kumain doon. At may ma-orderan tayo. Tapos education exhibition center. At saka yung mga mama. So dito tayo pupunta. Yan. Parang tunnel po siya. Yan. Para pupunta tayo sa mga mamas. Yan. Opening hour po nila 5 AM to 10 PM. Yan. Yan ang time tunnel. Sinabi nila education kasi dito niyo po mababasa kung kailan ginanap. Pero ibabahagi ko po yan sa mga susunod sa inyo. Doon muna tayo sa animal.
We are here in the different kinds of monkeys. So
This other kind.
we can
Hi.
see the orange
Hello.
one
They have a birdie
and the
there.
chinamis,
And the other one is there.
and they
Oh,
are
diba?
playing.
So cute. Hi.
It's
Can you look
just
at me?
finished
Hello.
their
Oh.
breakfast.
Do you
That's
want
why
food
the other
or
is
water?
hiding, the other is
Oh.
sleeping, the other is
Want to go ahead?
playing. So they have all moments by themselves at the moment. You see the orange rambutan. And
So
that is
big.
the big turtle. It's 100 years old.
It's
I
an
think.
African spur tortoise. It's Gichulin
You see the foot, they
sectaria.
still there.
He eat
And also they
herbivorous,
have a small one.
herbivorous, mainly fed
On
on
the other
succulent plant
side, small turtles.
from Sahara Desert.
Like that.
It's the
And they have
largest.
also
Yeah.
the water. That is from Africa.
And another one here.
The turtle.
There.
There, the small
And
one.
over there, look.
Look.
One is the black and white rope
And that's the
lemur.
lemur.
And he eat fruits, flowers, and leaf from Madagascar. You can see that. Oh, look at the two of them. So pretty. They are last lying down. It's the lemur. Oh, look at that upside down. See? Oh, that's so nice. It's lemur. So cute. There's one lying down there.
Where is 1-1?
Over there, lying down.
係喎，大猩猩
Yeah, she's lazy right now.
瞓緊覺喎，
She's fun cow sleeping.
好大隻
Ah,
手啊，隻手
yeah, look at the flower. So beautiful flower. Hi, they are playing. Look. The other one there is just sitting down. Oh, there. It's moving now. How beautiful the furnace. Look. We can see Anan because Sansan is laying down there. Oh, look at here. Yes. Look like statue there, but it's real. Look at that. She is Shimang from Indonesia, Malaysia. Shimang from Malaysia. Where are you? Still. She's lazy over there. Huh? Oh, look at the other one. Oh, it's hiding on the top. Hi. How are you? Hey, look. The other one is just sitting there. Look. It's like statue. Yeah. They just finished eating, that's why they are hiding. This is the chimpanzee. Hello, chimpanzee. How are you? How are you eating? Nice, look. It's hiding. So we go on the other side. That is common squirrel monkey. Ah, squirrel monkey, South America. It's from South America. And this one is the golden-headed lion tamarin. It's from Brazil. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Ah. Oh, it's just hiding. Yeah.
Ito pa yung
Oh, look at that. They are just sleeping. We just finished eating, that's why. So that's our tour in here in Zoological, in Botanical Garden. And we're going down now because we have some appointment to do. There.
Hi. The other animal is not there because just hit typhoons last few months, few weeks here in Hong Kong. So they all broke. So they put in the other place the animals because they fixing all the cages. So that's it for now, and we are going down now, and that is the exit to go to the road. Yeah, came from there, and that's the street there. We just going there, walking there. That's the man who give them the food, and exit there, and we are going to the left to Central. That is going to the Old Peak Road. So if you are there,
Yan mga ka-cheer, at sana inyo pong naibigan ng ating ibinahagi today at nagustuhan nyo. Ilan lang po yan sa mga gandang tanawin dito sa Hong Kong Park. Kaya kung kayo ay taga dito sa Hong Kong, pwede po kayong dito mag-stay sa mga holiday nyo at sa mga nagtutourist po. Maganda po itong puntahan dahil napakaganda at siyempre free of charge. So yan lang po ang aking bahagi. Huwag nyo kalimutang i-like, i-heart, at subscribe na rin po sa hindi pa natin mga friends. At huwag natin kalimutang i-hit ang notification bell dyan sa baba para lagi po kayong updated ni Madam Chair. Bye for now!